Hey guys, it's your mate Beat or Dross here, and today I'm gonna show. It's zero though. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Okay, show you guys how to make a perspective drawing. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and you are now watching Weebos.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
And let me tell you guys that this useless video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is a free to use online website which allows you to watch this useless video of mine while chilling in this pandemic lockdown, scrolling through the endless list of videos to watch and to help me get some watch time. So it basically does nothing. Also, if you will subscribe to my channel, then Skillshare is willing to give you 70% off on its every product out there. All you have to do is to just click the given link in the description. Part 1. Now, like every sketch, I will make the basic line art as I am sketching a window right now from a certain angle. I'm gonna have to keep the line straight as they might make the whole view different. Second part is the stroke shading. Honestly, it is really easy, we just need to apply specific strokes at certain parts. But the thing is, we need to keep the strokes regular at the same angle because we don't want any irregular lines. Part 2. We will follow the same steps as in the previous one. After the line art, we will add some detailing in it. Then some more detailing at the windows. Then I will darken the lines by applying a little pressure on the strokes. And then finally comes the stroke shading. Part 3. The same steps as above. First comes the line art. And then shading. That's it. There is no part 4 to be honest, but I would like to say a huge thanks to you guys for your support on every single video of mine. No, seriously, I mean it. Again, I was not able to upload a video in a week. The thing is, I'm still busy in the admission procedures, and I promise that the next video will be here at our own channel after a week. So that's it for today. Peace out.